Man, your girl done went and bought a doggone Pint X OneWheel skateboard. I don't know what made me do this, but I said I'm about to be outside this summer. So this me opening it, unboxing it, and then yeah, that's what it looked like. Now watch this. Toe up.
Just got back from riding that damn OneWheel. Treating myself. Getting familiar with it. Let me tell you something. That shit is crazy. I think I fell maybe 8 times.
It was definitely more than that.
You hit a bump, a crack in the sidewalk. Yeah, you fall on your ass. I might have sprained my wrist. I don't know.
Definitely a sprained wrist. Maybe a sprained ankle.
That motherfucker right there. This is crazy. I'm gonna take me a shower and rehydrate.
And I'm getting right back on it tomorrow.